Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Kacha Aam Mojito. First, gather your ingredients: 2 raw mangoes, a handful of fresh mint leaves, and 2 limes. You'll also need sugar, black salt, and sparkling water or soda. Don't forget plenty of ice cubes to keep it perfectly chilled. This refreshing drink is simple to prepare and incredibly satisfying on a warm day. Now, let's prepare the star ingredient, the raw mango pulp. Start by peeling and chopping 2 raw mangoes into small pieces. Place these pieces in a pot with enough water to cover them, then boil until they are very soft. Once cooked, drain the water and blend the softened mango pieces into a smooth, thick pulp. This forms the tangy base of your mojito. It's time to assemble your refreshing mojito. In a sturdy glass, gently muddle a few mint leaves with 2 lime wedges to release their flavors. Next, add 2 tablespoons of your prepared mango pulp and 1 tablespoon of sugar syrup. Sprinkle in a pinch of black salt, fill the glass with ice, and top it off with sparkling water. Stir everything thoroughly for a perfectly blended taste. To finish, garnish your Kacha Aam Mojito with a fresh sprig of mint and a thin slice of lime. Serve it immediately to fully appreciate its crisp, tangy, and sweet flavors. This homemade mojito is a fantastic way to cool down and enjoy the unique taste of raw mango. For more great recipes and other deals, be sure to check the description below. Enjoy your delicious drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.